Hey everyone, today we're answering problem 8 from chapter 2 of the textbook, which asks us to basically explain the rationale for why scarcity inevitably leads to trade-offs. So first we have to think about the concepts of scarcity and trade-offs, then their connection. So we want to think about the concepts of scarcity and trade-offs, and then we want to think about their connection. And then once we identify that connection, we can kind of answer the question. All right, so, well, thinking about scarcity, it means that basically not enough of resources, not like however much resources are put into the economy, not enough